is virtual office? A virtual office is an entity that functions as a single unit with a physical address but does not exist in a particular place. Employees can work from anywhere but still have such elements as a mailing address, telephone responses, meeting rooms, and video conferences. Development of software and services for web-based office productivity, such as video conferencing, has led to the growth of virtual offices. The reason to have a virtual office is first, less overhead. There is no option rental, no charge for electricity, no hardware, and nothing connected to a brick and mortar facility. Second, flexibility at work. This helps workers maintain a balance between work and personal. To do some work doesn't mean you need a desk and PC. You can use laptop instead of PC to get a comfortable place like on sofa. Third, it is save your time. Basically, you need to spend almost 2 hours to go to work, but now you can use the time to do your work. So, what is the element of office environment? First, air condition. Air conditioning circulate, disinfect, and eliminating the air from contaminants and molds. For those that suffer from allergies and asthma, this is important to you because it minimizes the returns and cause an attack. So you are able to get better air quality. According to an article in Scientific American, the energy the body expends trying to cool itself down takes away from our ability to think and reason. People are able to function better and make better choices when workplaces are air conditioned. I love this quote by Linus Torvalds. A computer is like air conditioning. It becomes useless when you open the windows.
Next is color scheme. The suitable color scheme is light blue color. It is because light blue can make slow down employees' heart rate and turn to normal blood pressure. Besides that, light blue color for wall can improve employees' efficiency, concentration, and focus toward assign the task and job given. The color combination should be suitable with our office environment. This virtual office decorated with light blue wall, brown and white colors for office equipment will look timelessly elegant, feel soft and comforting. The reason is when we use soft color of our office environment will look more space. If we want a good office environment, we should know how to choose, build, and design the workspace.
According to OSHA, ergonomics is the science of fitting workplace condition and job demand to the wrong population. You should know that 74% of workers experience pain at their desk a few times or more a week. So, the presence of ergonomic chairs are really important to them as it gives many benefits. A Washington State Department level industry study examined that 4,000 users who are switched to ergonomic chairs shows a positive result, such as 74% absenteeism reduced of workers. This is because the ergonomics have many good features, such as firstly, adjustable seat height so that the workers can adjust the chairs depends on their height. Secondly, adjustable armrest, which is good when they do the typing and will avoid the carpal tunnel syndrome. Lastly, wheel, which is you can wheel your chair to the nearest place. Also, if there are rough carpet beneath it, it will prevent from slip away on the floor. There are many benefits of ergonomic chairs, such as firstly, improve worker health. Many workers experience lower back pain and it can cause distraction, decrease productivity, and many more. With ergonomic chairs, it can be prevented by comfort to each worker's specific shape, support and the spine, and keep tissues and joints in natural position. Second, better work productivity can reduce stress and make it easier to stay focused on the job. And when the workers focus to their work, they will make a quick responses and fewer mistakes. Our ergonomic chairs are really needed in the visual office because there are many benefits to the workers.
Task lighting provides increased light for a specific task in a room that may already have some ambient light. Task lighting is especially for seeing small object or object of low contrast. It is very suitable for virtual office because task lighting can also provide increased light for tasks that require accuracy. Furthermore, direct lighting systems are very helpful because this system directs approximately 90 to 100% of the illumination downward to the work surface. Switch on the task lighting also enough for helping you to complete your work. There are many types of task lighting such as table lamp, desk lamp, and swing arm lamp. Desk lamp is essential to supplement natural or overhead lighting. It provides adjustable task lighting that can be aimed in a specific direction. For demanding visual tasks such as reading and writing. However, most people have heard the warning that dim light can harm our eyes, that we should turn on overhead light when reading. A study published in the British Medical Journal 2007 debunked this myth by stating that reading in low light does not damage eyes. A desk lamp is best utilized when it has an opaque shade and the light is pointed directly at the material being used. This kind of lighting contributes significantly to the overall look of the room and makes certain tasks much easier to accomplish. Good task lighting should be bright enough to prevent eye strain and free of glare.
As an office worker, employees should learn and apply the correct use of the keyboard. False use of keyboarding could cause the user to diagnose with carpal tunnel syndrome. Carpal tunnel syndrome is a condition that causes numbness in your hand because of repetitive pressure that runs throughout your arms and to wrist. Based on a study of Cornell University and the University of British Columbia, the ideal typing posture is the keyboard should be placed below your elbow height with your wrist straightened and planted on the desk. According to the study conducted by Agro Plus, a poorly positioned monitor could introduce awkward and uncomfortable postures which can eventually lead to a painful musculoskeletal disorder. Another common problem created by a poorly placed monitor is eye strain, which is also uncomfortable and can lead to health and productivity issues. There are several tips for monitor. First, adjust the monitor height so that the top of the screen is at or slightly below eye level. Second, your eyes should look slightly downward when viewing the middle of the screen. Third, position the monitor at least 20 inches from your eyes. Fourth, keep glare down by adjusting the screen position. Next, maintain the distance between your screen scanning eyes and your screen by tilting the monitor back 10 degrees to 20 degrees. So, positioning your computer monitor correctly is an important part of the ergonomic design for your computer workstation.
In addition is music. The sound pressure level of music in office environment is 45 to 60 decibel. It is generally acknowledged that certain music is very good for productivity and improve the overall mood of employees. There are three types of music that's suitable in the office environment. Firstly, music with nature or environment sounds such as birdsong, ocean, rain and others. Secondly, music without words that can give the employees brain to rest on. And thirdly, classical music is best ways to help employees unwind from the challenges they face outside the office. Friedrich Nietzsche was said that without music, life would be a mistake.
As conclusion, nowadays, COVID-19 pandemics have spread around the world, so work from home is the best solution to break the COVID-19 chain. In addition, office environment is very crucial for people who work from home to make sure they feel comfortable to run their work, so that the employees can use the ergonomic chair to avoid carpal tunnel syndrome, then put the air condition, use the suitable lighting, and put computer. And lastly, choose the best color to make sure they feel more energetic and spirit to accomplish their work.